Hello everyone. Today I'm going to teach you about a few tools which will guide you to design a house. Okay. So first thing is that you need to know how to like use the pen tool. Okay. So first tool I'm going to introduce this pen tool. So it's over here in the toolbar. So please follow the pointer very carefully. So it's in first, second, third, fourth. So So this is pen tool. Okay, so it's in fourth. Okay, so I'll click it. Now, if I want to make a roof, okay, so it's meant to. I will click and release left button of my mouse. Click and release. Don't keep on clicking. Just click and just leave it. See, it will work like magnet. Okay, so until you click the second time. Okay, so this is how it clicks, and this is also click and release, and this is also click and release, and this is also click and release. Okay, so I'm just giving a sample. Okay, so I'm not going to make a very proper one, just giving you concept how to do this, and just fill up the color. Okay, so it's so simple. So again, over here also, like I will click it over here and click it over here, click and click and click and click and click and put this node. Okay, so see, this looks a little bit down, so I can arrange how to arrange this. So reshape. Okay, for that we need over here, this is called shape tool. Okay, so this black edge, if you click this black edge, you'll get lots of tool over here. So but we don't require right now. So this is your shape tool. I'll click the shape tool and just I'll click it over here and just arrange it in this way. Okay, so this is how I can manage to make an order. Okay, but see, this doesn't look like a perfect rectangle, so I'm going to delete it. So select the pick tool, click here and delete. Okay, so if you want to delete, now I'm going to put this rectangle. Okay, so I'll draw from here to here like this, and I'm going to go to different color. Okay, so now as you know that I will select this pick tool and show you away. As you know, this wall should not be at the front, it should be back, because the roof, it has been overlapped to the roof. So I will right click, select the pick tool. Now see, I can show you now, like individually I can show you it is at the front. Right click and order to back, so it will go to the back and side, and just you can slide. Okay, so in the similar way, so you can draw in this way. Okay, so now I need a like, if I need a door, so rectangle tool, I can just draw so big over here like this rectangle tool, and put some colors over here like door. If I want some like, I can make it small one over here this side and put it white color. Okay, so if I want at this side also, I can put it right color. Okay, but like the size is not at the same. Okay, so I'm going to delete this and I'll come back to this. Okay, so select the pick tool and I'll click this pick tool, and from your keyboard, control button plus D, alphabet D, so you can see the duplicate, means actual shape, exactly shape, size and color you can see over here. You can just put it over here and arrange in this way. So this is for your door. Okay, so again, control D if you need more, two times. How many times you need? So that time, if you need two, three times, you can two, three pieces. So you can just click control D, and for two times again control D D, or if you need three times control D D D. So this control D will give you the duplicate shortcut. Okay, now I will I will I will just select all this with the help of pick tool. This is a pick tool. I will select all this and I'll just decrease the size, because the door must be small over here. Okay, so but make sure before bringing to this house, see, if I click one by one it will come. Okay, so it is very individual, so your work can be messed. Okay, so in order to get messed up, so Control Z undo. Okay, so you select all this, and if the door is ready, so select all this with the help of pick tool and right click, then group. Okay, so if you do group, so everything will be like you have a stick with the Fevikwik. Okay, like it will be in that way. Now coming to the point, so I will bring this over here and put it over here like this. Okay, so now now I need a little bit of designing ventilator. Okay, I need a designing ventilator. I will select this ellipse tool. I'll select the ellipse tool. I'll make a little bit circle is in this perfect circle. Okay, so ellipse means a little bit flat. Oval means in a egg shape. This is your oval, this is your ellipse, and this is your circle. Okay, so I will click it over here. And I need to trim this one. Okay, so I'll bring the rectangular box. I will draw here. I'll keep it a little bit upward. Okay, even you can move with your keyboard arrow up and down like this from keyboard. Okay, up down arrow. Okay, so done. After that, I will select the pick tool. I will select all this, and I will go over here. Okay, trim. So once you click trim and just delete this, and I'll put this as blue, same color. Okay, now I'll make a duplicate. Control D. Okay, Control D, and now I'll make a little bit small inside. Over here you can see it should be inside. Okay, small inside over here. I think this is okay. Now a little bit, let's make a little bit long. Over here also long. Okay, now it looks good. Now I'll put the white. Okay, so I need the partition of this, so I'll bring it down with the help of I have to cut this in two pieces. Okay, so that can be only done with the knife tool. I'll click over here, shape edge, black edge over here, black edge. Then I'll select this knife tool. I'll click it over here like this. Okay, I click and pick tool. Then this is slightly separated, right? Now I can put one by one like this, one by one. So I can make it in this way. Okay, so now I'll group it, select all, right click and group. So why I'm grouping, because I don't want to make it messed up, so I'll put it over here. Okay, so while you design it, make it very carefully. While you design it, make it very careful. I'll put it a little bit here. Okay, this looks much better. Now for Windows also, uh, you, you can do like draw the rectangle over here like this. Okay, so draw the rectangle in this way, and oh, my color palette, my color has been disappeared. It's very simple to bring this color. Okay, so you go to Windows and color patterns, make default Windows color patterns. This default CMK palettes. Okay, let me check what is happening over here. Okay, uniform colors. Okay, so Windows color palettes and uniform color. Okay, so uniform color is here now, so you can choose it from here. Now I want to choose white or blue in color. So I want this kind of box over here. Click the rectangle, draw the rectangle over here. You click this rectangle tool only, then it will be available. Now put the white color, then Control D from your keyboard. Ctrl plus D. Okay, and arrow, you can move with arrow like this. So even you can just click it over here and place it in this way a little bit. Okay. So if you cannot see it properly, you can zoom. Okay, you can zoom. Here is the zoom option. Zoom. Click it. This zoom and click over here. Left, 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 left. Click. So it's so big, right? So minimize. For minimize, right, right, right click, right click, right click of your mouse. So it will come to your point. Okay. So so if you want to zoom this, you have to click here. Zoom. Right. Right. Okay. So the very point that will be zoomed. Okay. So pick tool, control D again. Okay, pick tool and control D. Let's keep it over here again. Control D, control D, control D. Okay. So systematically it will come slowly. So this is how the windows looks like. Then after that, we need a one ventilator over here. All right. So if you need a ventilator, okay. So let's put this blue and long ventilator like this. So this is your ventilator. So let's put this white. Okay, looks much better. Okay, so this is how we can do. Okay, so make an house sample. Okay, and okay, let's make. I think this roof is little bit down. So reshape. Okay, shape tool. You click shape tool and bring this a little bit upward like this. Okay, from here. Now this looks much better. Pick picture and picture. Okay, now for the chimney, let's make one chimney over here. Okay, now you see how I'm making this zoom in zoom out like this without any tools. It help of mouse. You know there is a wheel between uh, two button of your mouse. There is one wheel between two button. Okay, so if you scroll that, so it will happen. Okay, so you can also try of your mouse. Okay, so but in laptop it's not possible because this is a computer mouse which I'm using. It's available in computer mouse. So if you connect the computer mouse in your desktop mouse in your laptop, it can be worked. Okay, but so let's make one chimney over here. So I'll make one chimney. Make it red. So this one is at the okay. Let it keep it over here and a little bit of rectangle. Sorry, rectangle over here. Okay, okay, like this. Okay, so move tool. Oh, sorry, pick tool, not move tool. Then see, I don't suppose, for example, I don't need the border, black border of this. If I don't need this black border of this chimney, so I can go to the cross button and right click of your mouse. But if I want to make the same color of like orange color to this border, I can go to the color and right click. Okay, right click. Now it disappeared. Okay, so now let's make some smoke. So come to the toolbar. There, click on the edge, black edge of the this pen. Okay, black edge of this pen option, and you can see here artistic media tool. When you click artistic media tool, you can find when you click artistic media tool, you can find some option over here, but in my system it has not been shown. Oh, sorry, it's over here at the, you can see this icon, right? So it will appear in your system also at this area. So please watch it carefully. So when I click this, okay, so this is your brush. Okay, so brush, and I'll click over here for smoke. I can take this one. Okay, so this option. So I can take this option Oh, it looks too big. Okay, so this, I think this looks much better. Okay, so this is a smoke sample. So this is a smoke sample, and you can change the color also. Like you can click, select the pick tool, and you can choose this color, like smoky color. Okay, you click this smoky color, smoky color, smoky color. Okay, so make sure, but sometimes you know what happens, the size of this art, uh, art size of this art will be quite thin. Okay, so like it may be like this thin also. It may be when you draw it, it may come in this pattern also. But if you want to make it thick, bigger, so click it over here and come to this point, follow the mouse pointer, and just increase and decrease from here. So it can be done from here like this. Okay, so this is how we can draw the smoke. And for grass, let's put some grass in this house. Okay, so I'll put this spray. Okay, so you can see here sprayer, and I will click over here. There are lots of options over. Okay, here is the grass. Okay, so grass, so I can put here grass. Just draw. You just need to draw. But if you find this is very big, if you find if this is very big, you can decrease and increase the layout from here. Okay, decrease and increase layout from here. Okay, suppose sequentially. Okay, you can draw by direct. Okay, so you can do random also, like a random. Okay, so you can just from here also you can change the value of thickness, how much, like thickness, how much massive or light. If you want from here, you can click from here. Okay, so over here you can increase in this way also. From here you can click it, you can see the pointer when I am clicking. Okay, and next thing is that size. Okay, let it be 100. Don't do anything over here, let it be 100. And this has to be 100 only. Okay, okay, the grass is done. And now the grass is done. Okay, so this is how you can design a simple house sample. Okay, so put your creativity. This is the only basic things which I'm giving you. So with this concept you can design more than this also. Okay, so I'll do pick tool, I'll select all this and I'll group it. Okay, I'll minimize it and I'll put it here, and I'll just write my house and export it. Okay, so like this, and a little bit bigger. Okay, so just write house, click it over here, house, HOU. Okay, so just put it house. Okay, then make it big, a little bit bigger, make it a little bit bigger. Okay, so if you wish to, instead of writing house, like you can put some quotation over here, write it some poem and all, like you can see the class 3 4 books, poem, they have a beautiful cartoon house and all, so you can do that way or in this way. Okay, so now thank you guys. Now you can export this file and export if export. Okay, so I'll, for right now I'll keep it in desktop. So house, export, and okay. Then I will close this. Okay. So house, here we go. My house is ready over here, which I have designed here. Okay, so the house is absolutely ready. So This is your task for tomorrow. Any questions, any doubts, you can just clear me around 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. I'll be available. So please kindly submit your work in time. Thank you for learning nicely, and I hope you guys will enjoy this designing class. Thank you.